Hello. Welcome to Equine Outreach. This is where I live with more than 80 other rescued horses. We have a problem, though. You see, I eat like a horse, and so do all of my friends. That's a lot of hay every day. It takes almost a ton to feed all of us. We sure could use your help in buying more hay. You can help by clicking on the donate button. And thank you for anything you can give us. And come on out and see us sometime. We really enjoy meeting visitors. Don't forget to bring some carrots, though. We love carrots.